Today I'm traveling to India for the first time solo, and to be honest, this may have been a mistake. Hey, I'm Andy and I'm on a 100-day travel mission to try and become a full-time content creator, and this has brought me to India. My one goal being in New Delhi is to visit the Taj Mahal, and I've booked nothing, so we'll see what happens. That being said, 30 minutes after I landed in New Delhi, I got scammed. Picture this, I got stuck in 10 PM traffic, my driver just kicked me out my car because we weren't moving anymore. I had 40 kilos of luggage and someone just referred me to a guy on a bike. He charged me 5 times what it should have been, and we are off to an amazing start. We are officially in India, and I don't know if I should be vlogging or not. I really probably should not, but I'm just trying to find something to eat. I saw something on Google Maps. It looked very local. Yeah, that's probably not the option there because I don't want stomach issues. So we're going to eat somewhere that is established and that looks expensive because I'm scared, man. Alright, I need to stop vlogging before I get kidnapped or my shit gets stolen. But yeah, absolutely wild scenes out here. It is freaking outrageous. This is our dinner. I was originally intending to go to another spot, but I was just a bit too sus and I don't think my stomach can handle it, so I found a much more bougie place, which is pretty expensive. This is gonna be like close to like $8 Australian, which I know isn't much, but there's not much food here, and that could buy a lot at another store. Anyway, let's dig in. I've had enough adventures tonight. It's 11 PM already. It's been wild. I need to go to sleep, eat this. We'll see you on the rest of this Indian journey. Alright, so this is my first full day in Delhi, and I'm on top of my hotel right now. Pretty sick, but there's like a natural haze of pollution which makes everything look cinematic. I don't know what today's gonna bring. Look man, I'm a little anxious. I need to book a ticket to Agra today, which is the plan. I don't even know if I can go. I need to visit the Taj Mahal. Honestly, I'm a little bit culture shocked and out of my comfort zone for sure. I'm by myself, but it's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be fun. Food tastes good so far. Hope I don't get sick. Let's get a move on. Alright, so welcome to the filmmaker's room where this place is a mess, but we're starting the morning with some chicken biryani. I just got room service because honestly, I'm too anxious to go outside to eat some street food, and this is easy, time is money. I'm also trying to work out how the heck I book a train and work out everything we're doing today. But let's chow down and get moving. It took me until 11 AM, but we finally left the house and I think I booked a train ticket. That being said, it became pretty apparent I was getting attention everywhere I went. An Asian guy with a gimbal probably wasn't a very common occurrence. To be honest, I have not been here long, but it's exhausting. No one gives you a fair price. A lot of people are trying to talk to me and I'm all by myself. I feel so out of place. Even like catching a taxi wherever, catching Uber is like straight up stressing, and I can see waves of oceans of people looking at me right now, so that's not great. So feeling pretty lonely, I had the bright idea to go on my Instagram story and ask if anyone was in New Delhi to find some company. Alright, so we're at Humayun's, did I say that right? Humayun's tomb. We arrived to Humayun's tomb and we have met a new friend.
Hi everyone, I'm Jatin and I just met Andy.
Basically, what happened was I put my story literally last night that is anyone in Delhi, even typo Delhi, which is pretty embarrassing, and all of a sudden my guy responded on like literally 2 hours notice.
Yeah.
And we're here, which is outrageous. So we've got to explore some spots.
I never really thought that we will be meeting. Like he's based out of Australia and I'm in India. I was just following his work. Been a while, but out of nowhere he just replied to my DM. And we are here shooting videos.
It's wild, man. The online community is real, but he's gonna take us to some spots. We're gonna check something out, shoot a few things. Probably whip out the gimbal real soon, but let's check this place out.
Going to take Andy to the best chicken spots in Delhi. Like that place serves one of the best butter chicken in India. This is not what I said, this is what people say. Even the magazines say.
The magazines?
Yeah.
Look, my criteria was I want to eat some actual Indian food without ruining my white man's stomach. So this is apparently a good compromise.
Yeah.
We're catching the tuk-tuk. Well, wait, what's it called? What do you guys call it?
Auto rickshaw.
The auto rickshaw.
Yeah, or only rickshaw.
The rickshaw.
Yeah, rickshaw.
Alright, well.
Or just auto.
The order.
Yeah.
We can hop on one of those. I'm so glad this guy's here. There's always people looking at me. I feel a lot at home now. Thank God.
Right now in Pandara Road, like this place serves one of the best butter chickens in Delhi. And they claim to have best butter chicken in India. Even the Gulati says they are the inventors of butter chicken. Like this place has waiting of around 1 to 2 hours. Like
1 to 2 hours?
Yeah.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Like that place and also this place.
Okay.
Have more as well.
Which one do you like more?
We can try have more.
Have more? Yeah, have more. It's called have more.
Yeah, have more.
Alright.
After you have some butter chicken, have more.
I'm gonna have some more, man. We're gonna
Yeah.
blow the budget today, man.
Yeah.
I'm keen. What is this, man?
Like these are like onions which are soaked in vinegar.
Are these like starters or like?
Not really starters, like something to condiments you can say.
So this is like Indian kimchi.
Sort of.
I've tried the kebab. It's pretty good, but this scares me a little bit. It's onion, right?
Yeah. Soaked in vinegar.
I'm enjoying this so far. I can't wait for the butter chicken. I like it. I really do.
Okay.
Butter chicken looks outrageous. I am so keen. So far, the food has been exquisite. Mango lassi, beautiful. Let's dig in. That butter chicken was exquisite. We had a slight rest because I wanted to catch a sunrise just before my solo train ride to Agra, which is where the Taj Mahal is. So at about 5:30 AM, we saw another side to India. The streets of Delhi are unlike anything I've ever seen before. We ended up on my guy Jatin's scooter. This is wild. Oh my goodness. Eyes on the road, man. Eyes on the road. And our next destination was at
Majnu Ka Tila. Like this is a...
that. I don't know how to say this properly, but it's like I've been teleported into Little Tibet in the middle of India. But let's explore this place and see what we find. Alright, so we are at
Haldiram.
Haldirams.
Yeah.
This is awful, man. My guy Jatin this morning slept 2 hours. He is cooked.
Yeah, totally good. I'm just gonna sleep after this.
We got some sweet lassi. I normally go for the mango lassi. I've never tried anything like this.
How's it?
That's nice. This is like yogurt. Like some delicious yogurt. There's got to be a lot of sugar in there, but it's delicious.
A lot. Yeah.
Maybe I won't drink the whole thing, but it's delicious. It's time for some delicious chole bhature. This is the only Indian dish that I basically knew, but it looks delicious. My goodness, let's try some. Cheers. That's some good stuff, man. That is some good stuff. We're going on a journey to Taj Mahal. Fingers crossed that works out. But cheers, man. Thank you, Jatin, man. Thank you, man. After breakfast, it was time for me to say goodbye and make a solo mission to the Taj Mahal. So I went to the train station, and what I saw was a little bit interesting. That was a scary sight, and thankfully I'm not actually on that train because that's a local train which everyone can just jump on and do whatever they want. Honestly, it's pretty hard to tell when the train's coming because the monitors just play these weird ads, so... I think the train is at 1. My buddy to the right of me here, he might be acting cool in the camera, but basically he told me where to go, so shout out to him. Now we're just waiting patiently for the train. Hope this goes well.
A few moments later.
My train is apparently delayed 8 hours. I got here at 12, it's like 2 p.m. right now, and I've booked a ticket to another train. This is outrageous, man. So we gotta wait another 2 hours. Hopefully we'll get to Agra at like 6 p.m. 6-hour commute. I don't know what's going on, man. I just want to get to the freaking place, man. This is outrageous. Alright, man, so I've been here for like an hour now, and I've made a new friend. We can't really talk. We've been on Google Translate this whole time, but we've been having great Google Translate chats. So about 30 minutes later, a train just pulled up out of nowhere. Alright, so all of a sudden, the train has stopped here. And my head doesn't fit if I stand up, but I don't know, it's like 3:30 and the train at 4 just pulled up. So I think this is going to the right place. I really sure hope so because, man, I'm sick of this shit, honestly. Look, dear God, please go to the right place. I think it is going to the right place. Anyway, room tour of my cool crib. We've got basically this bottom bed and like, I don't know, you can lie down here. We've got some power if we want. I'll try and get some edits out. But man, this is so wild, man. I was running up to my car because I'm not sure if I made it or not. Oh God, this is crazy. So after about 2 hours on this train, a family showed up and refused to go on the top bunk. So they just decided to sit on my bed with me. What is going on? Just let me lie on my bed in peace, please. Alright, after a ridiculous day, we have made it to our hotel. And it's so nice. The people are so friendly. They speak English. This is what I should have booked the first night, man. But let's see the toilet situation. Oh my God, man. This is pristine stuff we're looking at here, man. We're here now. We're going to see the Taj Mahal tomorrow. The mission continues. Let's go. I woke up at 5 AM, got locked inside my hotel for some reason, but we finally got released. And now it's time to see one of these 7 wonders in the world. We're in the Taj Mahal, we're fully equipped. A7C2, 7200, we snuck it in. Let's go. everything we had to go through, that is the Taj Mahal, and it was incredible. I steamed back to my hotel, caught the train, and went back to Delhi for a new adventure, so make sure you're subscribing because it is wild. Shout out to anyone who made it this far, and I'll catch you in the next one.